In real estate, we're drowning in data, right? But the real trick, the thing that separates the good from the great, is turning all those numbers into a story that actually wins over a client. Well, today, we're going to break down two new, and I mean game-changing tools from Inman that are designed to help you do exactly that.
You've been there. You're staring at spreadsheets, a bunch of listings, all these market reports, just trying to connect the dots for your client. The problem isn't finding the data. It's everywhere. The real challenge is translating it into a simple, convincing strategy that makes a client look at you and say, okay, I get it. I trust you. So how do you actually do that? Because let's be real, the pressure is on. Big time. Your clients expect you to be the local market guru, the one with all the answers. They want advice that feels solid, backed up by real hard numbers. And in today's market, staying ahead of the curve isn't just a nice to have. It's absolutely essential. Okay, so let's get into the good stuff. Inman has rolled out a really powerful, data-driven solution to tackle this exact problem. They've launched a new set of market tools that are designed to give you that critical edge you've been looking for.
And it all comes down to this one word: leverage. Inman's whole philosophy here is about giving you more leverage. And what does that mean? It's not about having more spreadsheets. It's about using that data to work smarter, not harder, to close deals faster, and really to build a more successful business from the ground up.
So what are we talking about here? It's a 1-2 punch. Two powerful tools, each with its own job. First up, you've got the Market Explorer. Think of this as your interactive, visual map of the entire housing market. Then you have Market Trends, which is all about tracking how things change over time using these awesome charts. Let's peel back the layers on each one.
All right, let's start with the Market Explorer. I want you to imagine you're in a helicopter, high above the US. You can see the whole country's housing market at once. Then you can zoom all the way down, right to a single neighborhood, maybe even a single street. That's the power we're talking about, a true bird's eye view. And what makes this so incredibly cool is the scale. You can literally go from a huge national trend down to a specific zip code in just a few clicks. So you can see something happening on a national level and then immediately check how it's playing out in your client's actual backyard. It connects the big picture to what matters right now. And the control you get, it's just wow. You can compare median prices between two neighborhoods side by side. You can track how days on market has shifted over the last year. It lets you spot those tiny, hyper-local changes instantly, the kind of insights that give your clients a real advantage.
Now, let's talk about the other half of this powerhouse duo. This is Market Trends. And if the Explorer is about where things are happening, this tool is all about when. It's designed to help you see opportunities long before they become obvious to everyone else.
So Market Trends lets you build these beautiful, super clear side-by-side charts that show you performance over time. Is a neighborhood seeing steady price growth? Is another one nearby starting to cool off a bit? This is how you spot those crucial long-term patterns that are everything when it comes to advising your clients.
Just think about the power here. For an investor client, you can literally show them a chart that proves a market is on the upswing. For a seller, you can use a cooling trend to justify a more strategic price. It's about turning numbers into advice that's impossible to argue with, so you never ever miss a key market shift.
So, when you put it all together, what does this actually mean for you? It all boils down to one thing: a serious, tangible, competitive edge. This is how you stop just talking about data and start turning it directly into deals.
The real magic here is transformation. What these tools are really doing is taking all that raw, complicated data and turning it into two things you need most: actionable insights for you and clean, client-ready visuals that make you look like an absolute rock star.
And the best part? Getting your hands on this is so easy. Just head over to Inman.com. On any page, right there in the main menu, you'll see Market Tools. One click, and you are in. It's that simple.
So your path to winning with data is really clear. Step 1, you find the tools on the site. 2, you create these awesome, compelling visuals for your clients. 3, you start advising them with this whole new level of data-backed confidence. And the result? It's simple. You land more clients and you earn more commissions. Oh, and here's something you absolutely need to know. You can trust this data. All of this info is updated every single month with the latest data straight from Realtor.com. So you know you're not working with old, stale information. You're always using fresh, relevant, and totally reliable insights. So we'll leave you with this final thought. The game is absolutely changing, and data is the new currency. Your competition is already out there, looking for ways to get smarter and faster. The only question is, are you?